Hello to Investmentsurfer channel and welcome to this video. Today I want to give you a quick update about CannGrow and the new harvest my cannabis plant has made in Switzerland. So here you can see there's a 46.1 gram of CBD. So I click here on the button and now I see that it is storaged for me at the CannGrow company. And I have two options now, so I can either sell it or I can deliver it at home and resell it or use it or make oil out of it. It doesn't matter. So you can decide if you want to have it physically at home or if you want to sell it and just harvest your profit and get it done. So today I just want to show you how to sell it and just make some profit by it. So I click here on sell. I want to sell everything. So yes, we send you a verification code. So I will get a verification now. So I will go to my email and get a code. I have to copy it. Go back to the CannGrow dashboard and I include the code, and it was successful. Right away I sold 22.7 gram CBD for 53 euro. That sounds good, and I have another batch to sell. So yes, I didn't got was too fast here. Now I got another verification code. Go here, get the last code. Copy it, paste it in here, and so the second batch. So now we'll refresh, and you see I have no CBD anymore. There's no harvest anymore, so I sold everything. I have no CBD in this account, but I have a balance of 193 euro now. And now I want to withdraw this money to my account. I have decided to use this account, and now I just click on here on this minus, enter my Bitcoin address and click on request a payout. So I have to include or copy in here, paste in here another verification code. So they try to make it as safe as possible. All right, copy it in here. And that's it. So here you see 193 euro are successfully sent to your account. That was really quick. So CannGrow actually got really quick in sending. So probably Bitcoin are already on the way. And I will continue this video when the Bitcoin arrived in my wallet and will show you if everything worked. So see you then. And welcome back. We're here in my Nexit wallet, and here you can see top up crypto and the amount I received, 0.024 Bitcoin. So the money arrived within a few hours. It's really awesome, really fast, less than 24 hours, much faster than by wire transfer to a bank account. So I'm really happy with it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.